If you love your penis, this video is for you. Today I'm sharing 10 things you should never do to your penis. Straightforward, medically sound advice from a urologist. Your penis is a vital part of your health, confidence, and relationships, but most men don't know how to care for it properly. We'll cover hygiene-safe practices and the surprising link between your penis and your heart. Stick around for number 10. It's a game changer for long-term function. Let's get started. Mistake number 1. Ignoring your penis. Your penis is an early warning system for your overall health, especially your heart. Erection problems can be the first sign of cardiovascular issues like high blood pressure or diabetes. Don't just reach for a pill. See changes as a check engine light for your body. If you notice weaker erections, get your blood pressure checked. Get your cholesterol and blood sugar checked. Erectile dysfunction often comes before heart attacks or strokes. The arteries in your penis are smaller than those in your heart, so they show problems first. Don't be embarrassed. Talk to your doctor. Ignoring these signs is like ignoring a smoke alarm. Pay attention to changes and take action early. A simple conversation could save your life. Your penis is looking out for you. Look out for it. Mistake number 2. DIY fixes and internet hacks. Jelqing, homemade vacuum pumps, and makeshift constriction rings are dangerous and can cause permanent damage. Scar tissue, erectile dysfunction, and even amputation can result from these unproven methods. There's no magic pill or exercise to increase size safely. Online products and forums prey on insecurity and offer no real solutions. If you have concerns about size or function, see a urologist. We offer evidence-based treatments and reassurance. Don't risk your health for a quick fix. Protect your penis from bad advice and dangerous experiments. Trust medical professionals, not internet myths. Your health is too important for shortcuts. Step away from the DIY hacks. Mistake number 3. Poor hygiene. Cleanliness prevents infections, irritation, and odor. Uncircumcised men must gently retract the foreskin and wash underneath daily to prevent smegma buildup and infection. Use warm water and mild, unscented soap. No harsh chemicals or aggressive scrubbing. Rinse thoroughly and dry gently before returning the foreskin. For circumcised men, a daily wash is still essential. Pay attention to the base and scrotum to prevent fungal infections. Wear clean, breathable underwear and change out of sweaty clothes quickly. Good hygiene boosts comfort and confidence. Don't overdo it. Gentle, regular cleaning is key. Avoid harsh soaps and scrubbing. Make hygiene a non-negotiable part of your routine. It's a simple act of self-care with big benefits. Mistake number 4. Ignoring pain or warning signs. Pain, sores, lumps, or changes are your body's alarm system. Don't tough it out. See a doctor if you notice anything unusual. Causes range from infections and STIs to more serious issues like cancer. Early detection makes treatment easier and more effective. Do a monthly self-exam in the shower. Check for new lumps, sores, or changes. Most lumps are harmless, but always get them checked. Don't let embarrassment delay care. Many conditions are treatable if caught early. Doctors are here to help, not judge. Be proactive. Listen to your body. If you see or feel something new, get it checked. Early action protects your health. Mistake number 5. Being careless during sex. Penile fracture is a real emergency caused by sudden forceful bending of an erect penis. If you hear a pop, feel pain, and see swelling, go to the ER immediately. Avoid risky positions and communicate with your partner to stay safe. Use plenty of lubricant to prevent injury and irritation. Lubrication also reduces STI risk by preventing micro-tears. Always use condoms to protect against STIs. Get tested regularly and talk openly with partners about sexual health. Safe sex is smart sex. Don't let the heat of the moment lead to injury. Pay attention to what feels right. Sex should be fun and safe for everyone. A little caution goes a long way. Mistake number 6. Exposing your genitals to too much heat. Testicles need to stay cooler than your body for healthy sperm and testosterone. Hot tubs, saunas, and laptops on your lap can overheat your groin and lower fertility. The effects are usually reversible, but avoid hot tubs if you're trying to conceive. Use a lap desk for laptops and avoid keeping your phone in your front pocket. Tight, non-breathable clothing also traps heat. Choose loose, cotton underwear. If you work in hot environments, be extra mindful. Small changes protect your fertility and hormone levels. Limit time in hot tubs and saunas. Keep electronics off your lap. Choose breathable clothing. Keep your cool for better health. Mistake number 7. Using the death grip during masturbation. An overly tight, aggressive grip can condition your body to need intense stimulation. making partnered sex less satisfying. This can lead to delayed or absent ejaculation with a partner. Your body adapts to what you practice, so vary your technique. Use a looser grip, moderate pace, and good lubricant. Mimic the sensations of partnered sex. If you're struggling, change your habits and give your body time to adjust. Some therapists recommend a break from masturbation to reset. Mindful, gentle self-pleasure keeps you sensitive and responsive. Avoid desensitization. Be kind to your body. Solo habits should enhance, not hinder your sex life. Treat your penis with care. Healthy habits lead to better intimacy. Mistake number 8. Smoking and neglecting your health. Smoking damages blood vessels, leading to erectile dysfunction. The more you smoke, the higher your risk. Quitting can improve erections, especially if you stop before permanent damage. Poor diet, lack of exercise, and unmanaged conditions like diabetes also harm your sexual health. Regular exercise and a balanced diet keep blood vessels healthy. Manage chronic conditions with your doctor's help. Every healthy choice benefits your penis and your whole body. Quitting smoking is a top priority. Focus on nutrition, exercise, and weight management. Lifestyle changes have a bigger impact than any pill. Love your body to love your penis. Mistake number 9. Being too hard on yourself. Performance anxiety is a major cause of erection problems. Stress triggers your fight or flight response, making erections harder. One off night is normal. Don't panic or catastrophize. Anxiety creates a vicious cycle that worsens the problem. Focus on connection and pleasure, not just performance. Erections vary with mood and stress, and health. No one is perfect. Practice self-compassion and relax. If anxiety persists, talk to a therapist or sex therapist. Mindfulness and communication can break the cycle. Your mind is your most important sex organ. Be kind to yourself for a healthier sex life. Self-compassion is essential for satisfaction. Mistake number 10. Not using your penis enough. Regular erections keep penile tissue healthy and elastic. Infrequent erections can lead to scar tissue, loss of length, and worsening function. Erections bring oxygen-rich blood, like exercise for your penis. Nocturnal erections are your body's maintenance program. If you stop getting morning wood, talk to your doctor. For men with medical issues, penile rehab can help maintain function. Use it through sex, masturbation, or natural erections. Staying sexually active is good for your health. Don't let long dry spells cause problems. Regular erections are essential maintenance. Function follows form. Use it or lose it. Keep the machinery in good working order. That's it. 10 mistakes to avoid for lifelong penile health. Taking care of your penis is taking care of your whole self. Healthy choices benefit every part of you. Don't be embarrassed to talk to your doctor. We're here to help. You deserve a healthy, confident sex life. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more health tips.